May I help you, sir?
There's something wrong with my red noodle.
You this look okay, sir.
Yes, but I think it's so salty.
We're very sorry to your inconvenience, sir. I think it's our kitchen fault.
How can you fix it?
We will give you your a plate or fried noodle and it's free as an apology.
Okay, that's good.
Please wait for a second while we bring a new dish.
A few moments later.
Here you go.
Thank you.
How the dish here?
Thank you. Now my red noodle is green, but I was just wondering if you could lower the music. It's a little bit loud and hurt my ears.
Sure, I take care of it.
Thank you.
Is there anything else?
Could you bring the bill, please?
Sure, in a minute.